Hello, welcome to Naya's Signature, also known as Blaney Allures. Are you a fashion lover and stylist that loves looking your best every day? You're in the right place. Here, we bring you amazing fashion tips, style inspiration, and smart tricks to elevate your look effortlessly. So, don't forget to subscribe, share, and give this video a big thumbs up. Your support helps us bring you more exciting content. General fashion tips: look stylish every day. Fashion is not just about expensive clothes or following trends blindly. It's about wearing confidence, dressing smart, and making the most of what you have. Here are some simple yet game-changing fashion tips to keep you looking stylish at all times. Know your body shape. Not every trend works for everyone. Understanding your body shape helps you pick clothes that flatter you rather than fight against you. A well-fitted outfit always looks better than an expensive but ill-fitted one. Invest in timeless pieces. Trends come and go, but classics stay forever. A well-tailored blazer, a crisp white shirt, a little black dress, and a great pair of jeans can save you on days when you don't know what to wear. Play with colors and accessories. While neutrals are safe, adding a pop of color through accessories can make you stand out. A bright scarf, a statement necklace, or even a bold handbag can turn a simple outfit into a stylish one. Comfort is key. No matter how fashionable an outfit is, if you're not comfortable in it, it will show. Choose styles that make you feel good while looking good. Confidence is the best accessory you can wear. Quality over quantity. It's better to have a few high-quality pieces than a wardrobe full of trendy items that wear out quickly. Invest in fabrics and cuts that last longer and look elegant. Grooming matters. A great outfit is nothing without proper grooming. Well-maintained hair, clean nails, and minimal but fresh makeup can make a huge difference in your overall appearance. Own your style. Fashion is all about expressing yourself. Whether you love bold prints, simple elegance, or experimental styles, make it your own. When you feel great in what you wear, you'll always look stylish. That's it for today's fashion talk. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Let's keep spreading the love for fashion. See you in the next one.
look at what I am doing. This is very, very simple, and this is how you are going to continue doing it.